Hello. In this video I will show you how to make an eye in the middle of your 3-strand rope. It can be used to transfer lines or items from ship to ship or ship to pier. Start by pushing in and twisting the line in opposite directions. It may be difficult to get started, but once you get a few twists it will become easier. Twist enough of the line to make 3 to 5 tucks for each strand. Once you have enough length, then make your loop to the size needed. From there you can start your over and under tucks just like a regular 3-strand eye splice. First split the strands that will be tucked. Then split the line apart and insert your first strand to be tucked through. The second strand to be tucked will go under and through where the first strand came out of. Here you can see the over and under. Rotate the line toward the original position. Then insert the third strand to be tucked over and under. It should come out from under where the first strand went through. At this point you can start tucking all the strands over and under again. It doesn't matter which strand you start your tucks, as long as you do all 3 in a row each time. And not the same strand over and over. It can be helpful to mark your strands with colored tape, or colored permanent markers to help keep track of your sequence. I did 3 tucks for this demonstration. For an eye that will take a significant strain, 5 tucks for each strand is recommended. Thanks for watching. I hope that this tutorial was helpful.